Hey there, quick review on this Olympia Tools folding platform cart. I love carts like this for around the shop. It saves me a ton of time in being able to load them up and move things around easily. This one has a folding handle, which is nice so that if you want to store this, it doesn't take up nearly as much space. It's very easy to move the handle up and down. You will notice the finish on this cart is very nice. So if you're using this in an indoor office space, this would be great for an office or business situation. Around the perimeter here, there's a nice rubber piece that covers the steel. So if you bump this up against a wall or some trim, it's not going to damage anything. Folding the handle up and down is very simple. It's just got this bar right here. It's spring loaded. So you push that down and the handle folds down very easily. You can also easily push this bar down with your foot to push the handle down as well. There is no assembly required on any of the handle or upper portion. It comes assembled, which is super nice. The only thing that requires some minor assembly is the casters on the underside. Assembly of the casters is a piece of cake. All you need is a nut driver to drive these screws in, and that's it. These are 5-inch casters. You're going to get 2 swiveling casters and 2 fixed casters for the front. They work really well. Good ball bearing design on the inside of these. They're going to hold up. And then a nice hard rubber on these. They're not going to absorb tiny stones or anything if you're rolling this over concrete. So all around, nice product. The 5-inch casters make it roll over bumps with floor mats or door thresholds really easily. But it's just great moving stuff around the shop, the office, as well as just keeping things mobile if you want to be able to move things around and out of the way. This is a great cart for that. I should also add the width of this cart is exactly 24 inches and the working length is about 31 inches. With a 24-inch width, this is going to be able to go through most any doorway just fine without bumping into anything.